Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Rec Room error code notebook. So, for the first solution, is just simply go ahead and go to their Twitter page or go to twitter.com/Rec Room, and from here you'll be able to see an updated server status if their server is down or if their game is under maintenance. And if that happened, just simply wait for some time and try again later. So now for the second solution, guys, is just simply go to Google and search for Rec Room Zendesk request and click on submit a request over here by Rec Room Help Center. And from here, just provide the request type that you are having. Go for technical and general support. And after that, just provide your email address, the support category, which is a connection issues, and just provide what type of device you are using and what error code that you are receiving, and then from there just provide the subject and a further description about your issue. And guys, provide the necessary information in order for the support team to help you. And then from there, after 24 to 48 hours, an email will be sent to you and they will give a solution for you to solve this issue. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.